Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to use car controls in Central Kansas Roleplay. Let's get started. First, you're gonna wanna spawn your vehicle. Now press the U key, the 2 key, then U again. After that, press the F key 3 times. When that's done, press the E key to gear up until you see the red line under D. That means drive. Then use the basic W, ASD keys to go forward, left, slow down or stop, and right. Using the S key won't make you go in reverse in this specific game. I'll show you what will in a moment. Press the Q key to gear down until the red line is under R. That means reverse. When that's done, use the same W, ASD keys. When you get in the place you want, press Q again until the red line is under P. This means park. You can also press the P key as well. When you're ready to go, press the E key until the red line is under D, then use the W, ASD keys. Use the C key for your right turn signal, Z for left, and X for hazards. And that's how you use car controls in Central Kansas Roleplay. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day or night, and thanks for watching.